Hi, I'm Nora from the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today we're talking about spotted lanternflies. This is a leaf from the host plant of the spotted lanternfly. This is called the tree of heaven. It's an invasive species, and it has been problematic long before the spotted lanternfly, but now spotted lanternfly makes this as its primary host. To help you recognize this, it's got a long compound leaf, and it has a very sort of nutty but stinky smell. I've heard people call this rancid peanut butter smell. So this is the tree you're looking for that you can use as a trap tree to try to capture some spotted lanternflies. To make a trap tree, you want some sort of tape. They do make specialty tapes for this kind of work, but duct tape works well also. You're going to take some tape and tie it around the tree with the sticky side out. So we've got some duct tape here, sticky side out, that will catch the lanternflies as they crawl up the tree. You need to monitor this regularly to make sure that nothing else is stuck to this. Once you have this on here, you want to cover it with something like chicken wire or hardware cloth that's slightly away from the sticky surface. The reason you want to do this is so that you don't get birds, bats, other things stuck to this. We really just want to trap the lanternflies. Wildlife rescue areas have been having a lot of problems with animals getting stuck to these sticky tapes. So while they are very useful, you want to make sure you're doing it responsibly.